Hey there, pet owners and fur baby lovers. If you're tired of endlessly battling pet hair on your clothes, furniture, and carpets, then I've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Lint Rollers for Pet Hair Extra Sticky Mega Value Set. This Lint Roller Set is a game changer for pet owners and anyone dealing with pesky pet hair. With 500 sheets and 5 upgraded handles, this mega value set is the ultimate pet hair removal tool. Say goodbye to lint and debris on your clothes and fabrics, all while keeping them damage-free. The extra sticky adhesive of these lint rollers guarantees efficient cleaning, making them perfect for everyday use on clothes and larger surfaces. And with our bulk pack option, you can stay stocked up and save on your cleaning essentials. It's a win-win, but the benefits don't stop there. Our lint rollers come in a travel size, ensuring that you can always look your best, even when on the go. With easy portability and effective cleaning, these lint rollers are a must-have for pet owners and travelers alike. So why struggle with pet hair any longer? Make the smart choice and invest in our lint rollers for pet hair. Your clothes, furniture, and carpets will thank you, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make your life easier and your surroundings cleaner. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the lint rollers for Pet Hair Extra Sticky Mega Value Set today. Trust me, you won't regret it. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more game-changing products and tips for pet owners. Thanks for watching.